welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is the last day of our rice recipes, guys. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. Thank you so much for being there. Most especially those of you that start with me from the day one to today. I want to say thank you very much. God is going to bless you all. So guys, today we are going to make a very easy and fast recipe. So today we are making rice with spinach. The spinach is mixed with mozzarella. So guys, first of all, if you have your leftover white rice, I told you guys the other day, don't throw it away, or don't say this rice, I want to throw it away, I don't want to eat again. You can transform it to another recipe of rice again. So that is what I'm going to show you guys. So I have my leftover rice, olive oil, paprika, black pepper, Aromat, chicken stock, onion, cheese, garlic, salt, and mozzarella. So guys, and spinach. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this mouth-watering recipe. Let's get started. So guys, I'll just add my oil into the pan. I'll add some salt. Then I'll also add my onion. And I'll just cook it for a few minutes. So now I add my garlic. I like using this fresh garlic because it's so good. It just gives the rice a nice flavor. So now I'll pour in my spinach with my mozzarella. Guys, you can also use this for pasta. It's so good also to make pasta. Try it out, guys. I've tried several times. It's so good. Just give it a nice stir. And I'll just leave it to cook for a few minutes, for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need to cook your vegetable too much. So now it's time for me to add the rice. And I'll give it a nice stir. Then I'll add the black pepper. The paprika. The aromat. Oh no, my aromat is finished. It's just little left inside. Then I'll add the chicken stock. I'll give it a nice stir. Then I'll just add the cheese. Give it a nice stir, guys. I did not add any pepper, scotch bonnet, dry pepper, just for one simple reason, because my daughter loves this rice so much. So if I add pepper, she cannot eat it. So I decided not to add any pepper on it. So you can add on your own if you wish. Then I will just leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. This rice is so simple to make. As you can see, it's done. Everything is just okay, just like this. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. As you can see, the rice is ready. It's so yummy, guys. So yummy, so tasty, and so good. Your kids can try. You can try it for your kids. Most of the kids, they don't like spinach. I don't know why, but my own, with the mozzarella and the cheese. Just make her, maybe that one make her to like it, I don't know, but try it out, maybe they will like it, I don't know, but my daughter love it so much. So guys, I want to say thank you to you all. I don't know how to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. From the day one to today, you guys were always there for me, leaving a nice comment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I want to say a very big thank you to my friend Lydia. Lydia is always there for me, encouraging me, telling me nice words. Even though I want to discourage you, she's there, always there to encourage me. She's a wonderful friend. I find her in YouTube, but she has been there for me. I want to say thank you, Lydia, and I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. And also, if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to this channel. Feel free to watch the video, and if you like what you see in this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave comments. And also for my old subscribers, guys, you guys know you are my family. I love you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Ciao, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao tutti.